All right, we're back for Tech Talk Thursdays. My friend here does not like vegetables on his pizza, we just discovered. Anyway, we want to start out with a cool little meme. It says, who said sales was stressful? I'm 27 and I feel great.
You know what makes a joke really funny?
When you don't
Explaining
say
the
it.
joke.
That's right, yeah. I'm 62. So today we want to talk about a couple Power BI features. I'm going to talk about report commenting that was added, I believe, in April. And what it is you can directly add comments to the reports. Anybody can. So once the report is shared with somebody, you can add a comment to it. You did not know about that, did you?
I did not know about it.
You did not.
Have you used it yet?
I have not used it.
Oh.
But it's out there, and let's hope that it launched. But it was in follow-up to the feature they added, the dashboard commenting. Have you used that one? Neither have I.
News to me too.
But it's there. Check it out. That's my Power BI tip. What about you, Steve-O?
My Power BI tip is something that I've actually used for several clients, and it's scheduled refreshing. And what that can do is on the Power BI web portal, if you publish your dataset file to the web portal, and you can do this with a free or a pro account or the premium, you can schedule refreshes of that data up to 7 times a day. And you can have them done at certain intervals. If you want them all done in the morning, you want to do it afternoon, you can have that set up to where your data is pretty much always up to date. There's a few steps involved, like setting up a data gateway. You can do that on a personal computer or on a server. Server's usually recommended because that's always on. But it's a really useful tool for not having to hit refresh every time when you're in the desktop application, and then it's always visible to anyone who has it shared with them. So
nice.
Other than that, it's a really good tool. And then you can also use it with certain. You can make certain measures to where you can always check to see with a timestamp of when the most recent records are, and you could combine that together to see if, hey, is the web portal running properly? Is my data up to date? So it's a really useful tool.
All right, there you have it. So whatever you're doing, stop, collaborate, listen, and tune in next week. We'll be sure to get this guy's chair a little bit higher so that it looks more normal. See you guys later.
Bye.